I'm going to do a troubleshoot on a bluesonic 32-inch flat screen TV. There's no picture but only sound.
Evah slick. Evah slick. Evah slick.
Yeah man, blessed love to all my viewers out there. This is Evah Slick from Evah Slick Creation. This time around I'm doing a troubleshoot on a flat screen 32-inch TV. Showing no sign of picture but you're hearing sound. So to all my TV lovers out there who are having problem with their TV, this is the video to watch. So please remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? So trust me, if you want to see what's going on with your TV, follow Black Army. Okay my people, I'm gonna turn on the TV now. You can hardly see the picture. Yeah, you can hardly see the picture on it. You can't see the picture on it, alright? So I'm gonna pull it up right now. Yes my people, like and share to my channel and subscribe to see the next video coming out and hit the icon bell. Seeing? You see the next video when they come out. Seeing? Subscribe button right there, so yeah man, just press it. Yeah man, like and share. Watch your views. Want some more views, give me some more views. Seeing? Yes my people, respect our manners. Going to the backlight at this time. Yes my people, this is inside of the TV, the backlight section. This is what giving the problem. So one of these backlight gone. So to do a troubleshoot I have to change one. Just find the bad one. Alright. So I'm going to do a troubleshoot. I'm going to change it to this one. This is the bad one. This is the one that I take out. This is the good one. So I'm going to try to see if that one is the bad one. Going to try it now, see if it works. It's a no-no, it's the next backlight. Okay, I'm going to try the next backlight. It's a troubleshoot to find out which one of the backlight is gone. Okay, I'm going to try this one now. Okay, this is an extra. Trying to see if it is the next backlight, alright? As you can see, there's a red light. Red light is gone. Backlight is on. Okay? So that's it. When you have a TV, you hear sound but no picture. you have a backlight problem. So this backlight is not good. Okay my people, time to make a next check. Time to make a next check, alright. TV is fit up, good to go now. Time to try to see if the screen is good to go, alright. Okay my people, there's a red light, there's a red light. Red light is gone. Voila, it's good to go. So it is very simple and easy when your TV does not have any picture on it, the backlight or the backlight driver, but this time it is the backlight. So I change one of the backlight strip. This is the backlight strip. I change one, and now the TV is good to go. So as you can see my people, when you're having a TV problem, Evah Slick from Evah Slick Creation, you can just give me a shout out, alright? And your TV will be up in no time. Okay? So yes my people, thanks for watching. You know, this is how you fix a flat screen TV showing no picture but you're hearing sound. Most of the time it's the backlight. Alright my people. So Evah Slick from Evah Slick Creation, big up on yourself. You don't know. See? Thanks for watching also.